Hey, this is Speedman, and today we'll be using the fastest car in the entire game. This car is really fast, and it's called the Star. In real life, it's called the Koenigsegg Agera. This is just a regular Agera, not the famous Agera R. Although, my favorite Koenigsegg is probably the Koenigsegg one. Anyways, we'll be going as fast as possible, and I believe it goes 275, which is really fast. You'll see. Yeah, 275. As you crash it really fast. We're gonna crash! He just jumped. And now we look weird. Okay, well. Really, I guess that's it for this. Okay.